So. Hyundai Santa Fe.
Yeah, would it be too much to ask if one of my boys set a fingerprint on the outlines?
Oh, yeah, I can see the reflection there. Alright.
It's up to you. You said no. I mean, I told you to look, man. You're busy. But I know that. Yo.
Imagine if I left the camera in there. Oh, cool. Oh, let's go. That was cool.
Right.
Damn, dude, that's sick. It's a little blurry in the end. Holy crap. Well, unfortunately, there is no outline shirt, so at least we got the blue triple feed, or just blue.
Yeah, the shoe keeps connected to the car.
Other baby rockers.
I'm going to kind of look at it and fix it up a little bit.
I'm heading outside now to check it out.
I wouldn't ask if he's a dick.
There he
He's
is.
one of the guys that I'm pretty cool with. Is the Stefano, young guy, but he's cool. Like if y'all ever needed anything, he would do the drop of a dime. So should I just? You want me to give you like 10 minutes and then tell him to call so you can talk to somebody? All right. So can you do me a favor though? Just call me and then I'll tell him to call. Once I get the okay from you, I'll tell him to call.